You and your friends Michael and Jake went out to lunch and split the $30 bill evenly. You paid $10 each. But the server accidentally overcharged you and the bill should have been only $25. So she gives the busboy your $5 refund, but he can't figure out how to evenly divide it amongst 3 people, and frankly, you don't even know that you've been overcharged, so he just takes a $2 tip for his efforts and gives you, Michael and Jake, $1 back each. So now you've only paid $9 each for lunch. 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals 27, plus the busboy kept $2 for himself for a total of $29. But you originally paid $30, so $1 is missing. How does $1 disappear? Try this with different numbers and just see what happens. Let's say you still pay a $30 bill, but this time the server realizes there's been a huge mistake and the total should have been only $10. So now the busboy gets $20 to return to you, Michael, and Jake, which he also cannot divide equally. You don't know about the exact price change, so the busboy takes his $2 tip, leaving him with $18 to cleanly divide 3 ways. He refunds each of you $6, reducing your effective price to $4 each. So you paid 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12, plus the busboy tip of $2 equals $14. And just like that, $16 is gone because you only paid $14 for a $30 bill? No, something is clearly wrong with... We started with $30. 25 of that is still in the restaurant's cash register. The other 5 have been given back. $3 have been returned to you, and $2 for the busboy's tip. 25 plus 3 plus 2 equals 30. So where's the disconnect? Really, where exactly is the disconnect? Let's find it. There are really 2 huge problems in this riddle. One is how we think about that 3 refunded dollars. We're only considering it once when we really need to consider it twice. And the second problem is how we're incorrectly factoring in the busboy's tip. Let's talk about that tip first. Because the busboy takes his $2 tip, that's money that's never returned to you, Michael, or Jake, and therefore must now be considered as part of the total cost of the lunch, which means that the new cost of the meal is the $25 still in the cash register plus the busboy's $2 tip, equaling $27. When each of the 3 of you pays $10 and then gets $1 back, your effective cost of the meal, the food plus the waiter's tip, is $9 each for $27 total. That leaves $3 missing. The $3 returned to you by the busboy. So now we're left with the $3 problem. The 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 equation of the riddle is simply the wrong equation. Actually, as we just learned, the 9s are right, but the 2 is wrong. The 2 is already factored into the 9s. What we need to do is add back the 3, which is kind of confusing and part of that sleight of hand. The riddle uses the 3 to subtract from the customer's new final total cost of the meal, but we have to add it back in at the end to get to the original $30 that changed hands. Look, you paid $10 each. Refund your $3, taking the amount paid down to $27, and then give the busboy his $2 tip, and the restaurant keeps $25. There is no missing dollar. The riddle is just answering the right question the wrong way.